How to remove lock screen ad. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards settings application on your device. Scroll down and go to home screen and lock screen setting. Again scroll down through these settings and go to shortcut. If you have enabled the option of Google Assistant, simply turn it off. You can simply choose none. Then after again scroll down and go to system navigation. There you will see the option of wake Google Assistant with home button. Simply turn that feature off too. After you have updated these settings, you will be able to remove the ads from your lock screen. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.